How to change country or region on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change country or region on Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch settings application. Now scroll down to the bottom of your screen on settings panel and locate additional settings. Navigate to language and region. At the second option, you can locate region where you can see currently it has been set to another country. To change the country or region on Android, select region. Here you will see all the list of the regions available on your device. You can easily choose any country or region where you reside or want to change to. And according to that country, all the settings like date and time will be changed. So that is how you can easily change country and region on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.